Good morning, students, and Happy New Year. I'm going to walk you through our work this week. If you go to Schoology, you'll notice that, as always, in the previous week's folder, which is your blue folder, if you open that up, you'll see all of the work that we've done in previous weeks. In the yellow folder, you'll see week of 1-4, and this week we're looking at pathos, logos, and ethos. The big idea is around the power of persuasion and different rhetorical devices we use to persuade people. Specifically, this week we'll be looking at commercials and strategies that companies use to persuade their audience. As always, read first is where you first want to click. And that will walk you through the agenda for what we'll be doing for our first class and our second class of the week. Our first class will be looking at the power of persuasion, pathos, logos, and ethos. And then our second class of the week will be having a discussion on what makes an argument compelling. You have homework that you'll be doing in the afternoon on Monday, which I'll explain in just a moment. And then you'll also have homework after the second class. When you come for the afternoon classes, I do want you to come. It is required. And after you fill out the afternoon attendance form, you're welcome to stay, work with the group. If you have any questions, that would be a great time to ask them. And otherwise, you can head out and work independently. The first thing that I'm going to ask you to do this week is to answer these questions about pathos, logos, and ethos, and you'll complete the commercial evaluation. To do that, you'll read the instructions, and then you'll also probably want to go back to where I have the PowerPoint from class, which has the links for the commercials in case you need to watch them again. I also want you to find an advertisement or a commercial to bring to our second class of the week. We'll be using those as fodder for our discussion. And then this weekend, I'm going to ask you to create your own advertisement. This is an ungraded assignment. You should spend about 30 to 60 minutes on it. It could be a poster that you hang for your family in your living room, or it could be a 30-second radio spot. It's really entirely up to you. The idea is that you're applying some rhetorical device or devices, pathos, logos, or ethos, and trying to persuade people. All of this connects to our next unit, which is around writing argumentative essays. As always, there are 3 ways to find the links, actually 4 ways to find the links for class. You can open up the class meeting links, and you'll find the links there for class. You can also go to the calendar option, and you'll see the link there. If you open up a class, you'll notice the link is right there. You can also find the link on the right-hand side of your screen in the upcoming categories. If you click on one of those, you'll notice the link is also there. And finally, you'll find it in your Outlook. I look forward to working with you this week. Have a wonderful day.